Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch Lite and today I'm going to show you how to turn on this watch. So let's get started. To turn on our watch we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it for a few seconds basically. And after a few seconds you should see OnePlus logo on the screen. You can release the button then and wait until the watch is done booting up, which takes another few seconds. As you can see, we're in the system now, and that's how you turn on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.